The best way to hold the ukulele is with the help of a strap. This allows your left hand to move more freely around the fretboard, as it is not needed to hold up the weight of the neck. You should adjust the length of the strap so that the instrument is not resting on your knee and instead rests in a comfortable position against your body. And also, the neck should be pointed in a diagonal position. Now, with your left hand, rest your thumb to the side of the fretboard and make sure that your left hand is relaxed and not tense. The right hand should be placed over the sound hole. This is to ensure that you get the best possible tone from the ukulele. Some people may not like to put a strap on their ukulele and prefer to hold it in a free position, but we would recommend to use a strap to make it easier for you to play. Most people use the fingers of their right hand to strum and pluck the strings of the ukulele, as it is easier than using a plectrum. All you have to do is rest the thumb of your right hand gently onto your index finger. We mainly use the nail of our index finger to strum down, and because we are using our nail, remember to strum gently. Let's try strumming down together using the nail of our index finger after 2. 1, 2. And to strum up, we mainly use the skin on the back of our index finger, and again, remember to be gentle when strumming up. Let's try strumming up together using the skin on the back of our index finger after 2. 1, 2. Of course, if you prefer to strum the ukulele in a way that's more comfortable for you, then that's fine. However, if you want to use a plectrum, here are 2 of the most common ways. The first way to hold the plectrum is to place your thumb horizontally across the back of the plectrum and place your index and middle finger over the front of the plectrum, making sure not to cover too much of the tip of the plectrum. A second way to hold the plectrum is to again place your thumb horizontally across the back of the plectrum, but only place your index finger in front of the plectrum with the knuckle closest to your nail of your middle finger acting as a grip against the side of the plectrum, and again making sure not to cover too much of the tip of the plectrum. However, many people have different ways of holding the plectrum, so if you prefer to hold the plectrum in a way that's more comfortable for you, then that's fine. Just remember not to grip the plectrum too tightly, and you should have control over your plectrum whenever playing the ukulele.